How many deposit and withdrawal methods in Forex trading? In Forex trading, the number of deposit and withdrawal methods depends on the broker you choose. Almost every Forex broker offers multiple payment solutions to make it easy for traders worldwide. Here are the most common methods you'll find. Deposit and withdrawal methods in Forex. Bank wire transfer, direct transfer from your bank account. Credit/debit cards, Visa, MasterCard, Maestro. E-wallets, PayPal, Skrill, Nutella, WebMoney, Perfect Money. Crypto payments, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and other cryptocurrencies. Local payment solutions, UPI, Paytm, PhonePe India, M-Pesa Africa, etc. Prepaid cards and vouchers, PaySafeCard, etc. Broker-to-broker transfer. Some brokers allow transferring funds between accounts. Not every broker offers all methods. Usually 3 to 7 main options are available. Deposit methods are usually instant, especially e-wallets and crypto. Withdrawals may take longer, especially via bank wire 2 to 5 business days. Some brokers cover fees, while others charge transaction costs. So, there isn't a fixed number. It depends on the broker's partnerships with payment providers. For more details, click on description.